were really busy and you could see a lot of people in town. One day I was invited to a stage one going on a trip. First task. And is considered a tourist destination. So, the first days, there were some typical celebrations. We were really busy and you could see a lot of people in town. One day I was invited to a pool with my family and some relatives. There you could get a nice tan and forget a bit about the freezing cold and rainy temperatures you have in Bogota. Stage 2. What's the weather like? Some days when the stars and very agreeable to share time with your beloved ones. You can contrast the nice climate with the one you have in Bogota, where most of these days are rainy, cloudy, muddy, and freezing. The cold temperatures make you stay inside doors, just watching television, reading, or chatting with your friends. Of course, you have a lot of interesting things to do in Bogota, but the climate is not an invitation to leave. Better if you stay indoors and watch the rainy temperature through the windows. Stage 3. You should keep your passport.